Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to display red cells or text for negative numbers in Google Sheets. This is a really useful technique for making financial data, budgets, or any spreadsheet with positive and negative values much easier to read at a glance. When negative numbers stand out visually, you can instantly spot losses, debts, or deficits without having to scan through rows of data. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to workspace.google.com and log in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials so you can access all your stored spreadsheets. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are organized. From here, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to display red cells or text for negative numbers. This could be any sheet you're working on, whether it's a budget tracker, sales report, or personal finance document. The sheet will open up in a new tab and you'll be ready to start formatting. Now, the first thing you need to do is highlight the data you want to format. Click and drag across the cells that contain the numbers you want to apply this rule to. This could be a single column, a range of rows, or even an entire table depending on your needs. Once your data is selected, look at the top menu bar and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear with various formatting options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Conditional Formatting. This tool allows you to apply specific styles to cells based on the values they contain, which is exactly what we need here. After you click Conditional Formatting, a panel titled Conditional Format Rules will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. Under the section labeled Format Cells, you'll see a drop-down menu, click on that drop-down and scroll down until you find the option that says Less Than. Select it. This tells Google Sheets that you want to format any cell with a value less than a certain number. Next, you'll see a field labeled Value or Formula. In this field, type in 0. By doing this, you're instructing the sheet to apply your formatting to any cell that contains a number below 0, which of course means all your negative numbers. Now comes the fun part, customizing how those negative numbers will look. In the Formatting Styles section, you have full control over the appearance. If you want the text itself to be red, click on the text color icon and select red from the color palette. Then if you prefer a white background for those cells, click on the fill color icon, which looks like a paint bucket, and choose white. Alternatively, you can do the opposite. You might want to keep the text black and fill the entire cell with a red background to really make those negative values pop. It all depends on your preference and what makes the data easiest for you to interpret. Once you've adjusted the colors to your liking, simply click Done at the bottom of the Conditional Format Rules panel. Your changes will be applied immediately, and any cell in your selected range that contains a negative number will now be displayed with the formatting you just set up. And that's it. You've successfully set up conditional formatting to highlight negative numbers in Google Sheets, making your data much more visually intuitive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.